16 ounces of shredded lettuce in our pan. Perfect. 1 pound of cooked and seasoned ground beef right on top of our shredded lettuce. Now I used iceberg, but you can use whatever lettuce you prefer. I have 1 package of grape tomatoes that I quartered, and we're putting that right next to our ground beef for this easy and delicious lunch. Now I went ahead and caramelized 1 whole yellow onion, and we're putting that right next to our tomatoes. You can use raw onions if you prefer, but I just think the caramelized bring a lot of flavor. Oh, it smells so good. I have some bread and butter pickles. Now I'm leaving mine whole, but you can dice yours if that's what you want to do, but I like them whole for this recipe. It is just a preference. Last but certainly not least, I have a bag of cheddar cheese. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Now you can use whatever cheese you like. I'm using cheddar. You can shred your own, but I wanted this to be super fast and super easy. Now that we have those all beautifully placed, we're gonna move this to the side and bring in a cup and a whisk. And we're gonna start off with our mayonnaise in here. We're gonna whip up a quick little sauce, and we need about half a cup of our mayo in there, so that looks just about right. We're gonna add some yellow mustard in here. Now you can use whatever kind of sauce you want, but this is what I like with this recipe, and I think it's gonna just complement all of those flavors. It is tangy and delicious. We're gonna add some ketchup to this, and we're gonna just eyeball on these other ones. As long as you have that half a cup of mayo, the rest of the base will kind of come together. And I am adding some dill relish to this. I'm gonna use my spatula to get some of that out. Oh, that relish smells so good. It's gonna be delicious. Now we're gonna season this up with a little bit of salt. Now, if you're worried about the sodium, you can skip the salt, but I think it adds some great flavor. And then we're gonna add some pepper, but you can add whatever seasonings you want. When I seasoned my ground beef, I used salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And then the last thing we're gonna add to this to make it a little bit thinner is some white wine vinegar. And we're just gonna add a dash of that. That will make this consistency more like a dressing. All right, we're mixing this all together. And this should give us plenty of dressing for our delicious burger salad. Yep, you heard that right. We are making a yummy and easy burger salad. It has all the components of a salad, but without the bun. So you get a little bit of a healthier burger. That looks like it mixed up so nice. We're gonna bring back our pan with all of our goodies in there, and we're gonna drizzle this right on top of everything. Now I kind of laid mine out like a Cobb salad because I think it's fun. It creates a great little visual stimulant when you're following this recipe, but you do not need to do that. We're gonna get all of that dressing out. You can just put everything all together in a bowl and mix it up. It doesn't need to be all lined up like how I'm doing it. But we're getting all that dressing out because we need all of that flavor. Oh, my tummy is hungry. Now it's time for the mix-in. So we're just gonna toss everything in that dressing with that lettuce, the ground beef, the cheese. Ooh, our pan wants to get away. This is gonna be so good when it comes together. It's kind of like almost like a burrito bowl, but it's a burger bowl. It's gonna be so good. And you can add and subtract whatever you like from a burger. Like if you want to add American cheese instead of cheddar cheese because that's your favorite kind of burger, then go for it. You can add some ranch in here because I honestly love ranch, but I kind of went for more of a like In-N-Out sauce with mine because I absolutely love In-N-Out. It is my favorite burger. So we're gonna go ahead and just mix this all together so that we can get to eating. All right, this looks so good, perfectly mixed. I have my bowl here. It is time to dig. This is my lunch for today. I'm so excited. It's a little lighter than what I usually go for, so it's gonna be really, really good, and I can eat a lot of
it. Is it good?
Oh yeah. Perfectly dressed, perfectly tasty. You guys are gonna love this.